Welcome to the sixth and final video in our Open Fender System Installation Guide series for the 2017 Ford Super Duty. In this video, we will be going through the process needed to install the Fender flares onto the bass. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable chapters and steps so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This product is for off-road use only. All liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage, and for professional use only. Chapter 8, Step 1. Installing the rear fender flare. Hold the flare into position and use a 1/2-inch ratchet wrench to mount the flare to the fender base using the hardware provided in the kit. Repeat these steps on the passenger side. The process for installing the front fender flare will be the same as the process for installing the rear fender flare. Congratulations! You have now completed the installation for the 2017 Ford Super Duty Open Fender System. Fab Fours has gone to great lengths to perfect this system, knowing the risks in cutting your vehicle. Thank you for following the instructions and videos carefully to ensure proper execution. Welcome to the Fab Fours family and the #40s No Lift Revolution.